In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table with alternating row colors just like this one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you want to do this in Microsoft Word, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. First, go ahead and open your Word document and then go to Insert option here. Now under this, you should see this option for tables. Now click on Table. And here you can go ahead and hover over here to select the number of rows and then columns, or you can also go ahead and just create your own custom. For that, just go and click on Insert Table, then choose the number of columns. For instance, I want a table with 12 columns and 10 rows like this, and then I'll go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see, our table has been inserted. However, we don't have the alternating color for our rows. To insert the alternating colors, go to Table Design. By default, it should be active once you create the table. And from here, choose any format or alternating colors that you wish. If you don't see your alternating color that you wish, click on this drop-down arrow, and then you should see here we have different alternating colors that you can choose from. You can decide to choose even a table with a different header color and the others alternating, for instance this, and you should be able to see how it will appear. If you want it to be uniformly alternating, you can choose this. You can see this is one of the best options that you can choose. So to spice it up, let me go ahead and choose one with a different header color, or the first row with a different color, while keeping the rest alternating. So I'll choose this, and here we go. Now we have our table inserted. You can go ahead and enlarge it the way you wish, and you can now begin inserting your values under each cell. So that's how you can create a table with alternating colors on your rows in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.